that will open tingqondo especially tebantu labasha to understand ukuthi kahle kahle leli langa lani uyabona kusilanga lokuthi uhlala ekhaya unamalume unabani unabomzala unabo-anti nihamba nothenga tshwala niyabuya niyatsakwa at the end of the day niya-abusana nendatonke letinto leto.
That's something else because naye bekasho ukuthi first sorry to minute like uthi le party list ruling yalo ngiyilo thatha lelanga elintshintsha yena bekumbono wakhe naye babekhethu ukuthi le party lephethe nyalo intshintshe lelanga this date was not a youth day i-youth net ukuthi yahamba yawena njani yo strike ama rights wayo ukuthi they don't want to learn every language with Afrikaans you understand so bagcina kutholakala people the youth was short and stuff bantu babulawa nani so but nyalo seyintshintshiwe akusase ilanga lokukhumbula lelo langa lelo because if uthi yena if ngabe bekanguye president bekatojabula ukuthi if lelanga leli bathi khunjula labo bantu labo mhlambe lemindeni yayo kumane kiwe khona kunikwe ama gifts at least you understand because they know ukuthi kunemindeni leso leyalahlekelwa but lelanga selintshintshile so bathi it's a youth day ukuthi yendeni you understand ukuthi so ithenile lento ya shift yabo but isingayipolitiki because you know everything is politics no today's youth day my brother you drop yesterday topic like ufuna ngathi singakhuluma ngawo you understand about youth as we should ukuthi we waste a lot of time ngemalanga lema holiday and doing nothing you understand as we're not doing nothing as you say because you used to buy booze and stuff and it's just abuser konje athina ama topic like sengikhohliwe but
kune behavior ama academics then kune ma challenges
and extra so let's talk about the behavior first like youth behavior lento leyendekala ukuthi e-youth as emmangweni wakangithi la kakhulu ngane base nyalo la kanyamazana let's focus on the behavior that lohlangabetana naye as wena as a teacher because if you are a teacher it means you are a parent to those kids that lababalethile lapha and itolo yesterday we talk about ukuthi niba nema challenges lamaningi and kuba buhlungu ukuthi ube ngitishera uhole imali lencane edlula lo muntu lo wamfundzisa you understand and tholakala you are a parent uba i-social worker uba liphoyisa lapha esikole uba ngonke uyi-one but lo msebenzi wakho straight ugcina ungasawendanga 100% you understand so uhlangabetana nema-challenges lamaningi my brother lapha esikoleni you understand according to i-behavior yabantwana you understand let's draft it lesiyibeke phasi ukuthi what have you seen in the kubonako and in the office ngathi kungantshintsha about i-behavior ye-youth
all I can say ukuthi sine-challenge this is a challenge ye-country it's a challenge ye-country because uma ungathi uya-check-a nyalo i-youth yethu ngale ndlela kwenteka ngakhona uma ungabuta abantwana labaningi because now i-teenager ulungiselela kuba youth now i-youth ulungiselela kuba young adult kanjalo but when you check behavior kuvuka lento ukuthi ugcine sowutibuta ukuthi are these young people aware of tomorrow
that's the problem
are these young people aware of the future and are these young people know exactly ukuthi what it takes for you to be in the future in the first place just to be in the future uyabona yini lokufuna uyende to be in the future singakhulumi ukuthi i-future yona uyilungiselela kanjani but there are things to be done for you to be in the future yabo so ngibona ngathi i-behavior yabantu labasha it's very concerning uma ngathi uya-check-a this other day I was just searching nje ngifunda and I found ukuthi in terms of smoking alone per day eSouth Africa silahlekelwa nge-121 people that are dying just ngetifo leti related to work alone just ngeminyaka sikhuluma nga-40,000 plus labo asikhulumi ngebantu bokuthi maybe bagula ngetinye tifo sikhuluma ngebantu labashiye emhlabeni just ngetifo leti related to work then you go to schools angeke ungene ema-toilet etikolweni unganuki ligwayi
it's a norm vele.
Uyabona?
Nathi into
So
le-standard,
yeah,
yeah.
esikolweni kuyabhenywa and nyalo abantwana even nalaba lokuthi ababhema isigarethi sebaphatha lokuthi lokwakhona bathi machufu
Ma-vape and
ini
stuff,
yeah
yeah.
bayakubhema. You will be surprised now to uyaphuma lana it's afternoon bantwana babuya ku-attenda lo mnye umntwana uphambana nentuthu ayibhema lento and uyabuka ukuthi hey lo mntwana lo uya-understanda le impact yalento lakayinaka empilweni yakho.
Yeah.
Before lo mntwana aze acabange kwenta lento leya uyayicabanga inye future.
Yeah, yeah.
Yabona?
Yeah.
Because you cannot think about the future and not take off your health.
Yeah,
Because you need your health
yeah.
for you to be in the future.
Yeah,
That's the first
yeah,
thing.
yeah.
For you to prepare for your future, you need to be healthy
Yes.
again.
Yeah, that's true.
Yabo?
Yeah.
Not unless umuntu ukuthi ufuna kusebenta ube nemali but health yakho ibe ngala seyibhetha.
Yeah.
Imali yakho loyisebenta ematima idliwe bodokotela.
Yeah.
Yabo? So those are the things. And number two, now to check in terms of a teenage pregnancy.
Eish.
Teenage pregnancy in South Africa, it's a problem.
Yeah, it is.
And we're
Huge
talking
one.
about the youth,
Yeah.
we're talking about the future.
Yeah.
Yes, teenage pregnancy.
Yeah.
Isibeka kuphi teenage pregnancy in terms of the future? Yeah, but there are statements now, but yeah, it's vele in South Africa, ngumthetho ukuthi first baby date uyakushiya. Yeah, we understand lento leyo ukuthi if you fall pregnant, the father of the firstborn will leave. Uyabona?
And it's a norm.
Yeah, and then nalabafana nabo sebayati ukuthi hayi vele uyamithisa, you leave. Uyabona? And when you check at the stats again, then ma stats atokutshela ukuthi ngelanga eSouth Africa sina 395 if not 365
pregnancy.
Teenagers that are giving birth daily. Then when you take that number 365 or 395 multiplied by 365.
Hey, that's a lot.
Yeah, or multiplied by 7 days.
Yeah, that's a lot.
So yabona ukuthi bantu labalo bathi one of 7 wabomake, one of them it's a teenage.
Yeah.
Yabo. So uyayibona lento, and we are here talking about it's June 16, let's celebrate young people. Yini si celebrate
because the langa lize lifike kuze kube holiday. It was not a celebration.
Uyabona yini si celebrate. Mine uma ngihleli nyalo ngihleli nebafana lapha laba ma teenagers ngihleli nema young adult yini le ngisherako nabo so that babe aware ukuthi lelanga leli lilanga lami. Uyabona? Uma sithatha okay youth ya 1976 belwela ukuthi ingafunzi ngeAfrikaans. There's education there.
Yes.
Which means labantu laba bebalwela ukuthini sikhone kuba ne-education that respond well to who we are. Here we got education. Bantwana bayalo bayafunza in bantwana. That's the problem. When you go to each and every school, ufune ma top achievers of those schools, you will be surprised because the boy child is sitting at the back. The girl child is leading. Not to say mantobatane kufuna ngafundi.
Yeah.
But now I'm talking about the dynamics that are there. Because remember, when you are raising a boy, you are raising a man.
Yeah, we're raising a man.
You are raising a husband. You are raising a leader.